Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Pencil sketching is a versatile and widely practiced art form that allows artists to create stunning drawings using just a simple pencil. It's a popular medium for all artists of all skill levels, from beginners to professionals. Pencil sketching offers a wide range of possibilities in terms of shading, texture, and depth. With different grades of pencils, artists can achieve various tones and effects, from light tone, delicate lines, to bold and dramatic strokes. The ability to control the pressure applied to the pencil allows to precise detailing or soft blending. When starting a pencil sketch, artists often begin with a rough outline or basic shapes to establish the composition. From there, they gradually build up the details, adding layers of shading and texture to create depth and dimension. Pencil sketching allows for great flexibility and experimentation as artists can easily erase or modify their work. One of the advantages of pencil sketching is its accessibility. Pencils in papers are readily available and affordable, making it a convenient medium for artists to express their creativity, whether it's capturing the likeness of a portrait, the intricate details of nature, or the dynamic lines of a figure. Pencil sketching offers endless possibilities for artistic expression. To enhance their pencil sketches, artists often utilize various techniques such as cross hatching, stippling, or smudging. These techniques and textures value and visual interest to the artwork. Additionally, artists can experiment with different types of pencils such as graphite pencils, charcoal pencils, or colored pencils to achieve different effects and styles. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, then please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.